Imagine a robot that trades money for you, but before it clicks buy, it checks a lot of things in seconds, way more than a human ever could. So, what exactly does AI look at before making a trade? First, AI looks at price. Is the price going up, going down, or just moving sideways? AI studies patterns like spotting shapes in charts, just like you notice patterns in games. Next, AI checks volume. Volume means how many people are buying or selling. If lots of people are buying, that's a strong signal. It's like seeing a long line at the store. You assume something good is inside. Then AI reads the news. Yes, it can read articles, tweets, and even comments. If people feel excited, price may go up. If people feel scared, prices may go down. AI doesn't have emotions, but it understands human emotions. AI also uses indicators. These are math tools that help predict what might happen next. For example, is the market overbought, too many buyers, oversold, too many sellers? Think of it like a weather forecast, but for money. AI looks at the past. It studies what happened before thousands of times. Then it asks, did this pattern happen before? And what happened next? It learns from history super fast. Before trading, AI checks risk. It asks, how much could we lose? Is this trade worth it? Because smart trading isn't just about winning, it's about not losing too much. Only after checking all of this price, volume, news indicators, history, risk, AI finally decides buy, sell, or do nothing. So now you know what AI sees before every trade. Leave a comment, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.